Hello everyone, so I'm here to describe how you set up the hardware and software for this part. So here you can see the blue part is the remote components, which is called the Flexy 205. This one will give you a web server so you can remotely control the PLC. The PLC here we use is the complex logics from AB. And this one I already read the program inside of that, and I wear a switch there as our input. So the connection between the left module to the PLC that through you can see this Ethernet cable. So the cable goes in from one of the LAN port here and goes to the PLC. Of course you need to wear all the powers, but that should be trivial. Okay, so this gray cable is used to give the internet access to your module of the Flexy. You can either use this one, and this one need to be in the port 4, or you can use this one, the Wi-Fi. Okay, so you connect this one to the wireless network you have at your workplace. Okay, so now all the wiring is done. The first step we're going to do is use a computer to configure your Flexy 205. To do that, you need to connect from your computer directly to this module using an Ethernet cable. So here I have this PC, and this is cable from that PC. So I need to connect this one, my module, to any of the empty port. Okay, just like that. Okay, even though you can't see it, but this cable all the way goes to the back of my PC. Okay, so now back to my computer. I need to use one software called the eBuddy. This one is used to find your module. Okay, so here you can see that once you open that, if it doesn't show, you can click refresh. It will show the E1 device you already have here. So you can see this is ours. And to access that, you just choose this one, click open browser. Okay, so it will automatically open the web server that is in that module. And here I will just log in. My login username and password will be ADM. It's a default one. Okay, so once you log in, you can see this interface. It shows all the basic status of that. So the first thing we need to do is set up the network. Even though mine is already set up, but you should do something like this. So you go to the setup here, go to the wizard, and now you go here. So you can see we have 3 steps. We can just skip the system and directly go to the internet. Okay, so my internet is through a wire. So I choose the Ethernet internet cable. If you want to configure with Wi-Fi, you choose the Wi-Fi. Okay, it should be the same. So now once you have that, you go to the next step. And here you can configure your IP address and something like that. So in my school, your IP need to be a static IP address. So that's why I choose static and fill in all this information. Yours could be just DHCP, it will decide automatically. Okay, and once you did that, you click the next. So that will configure the network of that. If everything is working correctly and your IT department doesn't require anything specific, so once you click next, it will be set up in a few seconds. So, okay, so this is the first part of your setup.